Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a so overdue hair and nail update because my hair and nails have grown significantly. Recently started taking a product that has made my hair grow quite a lot in this past month. And my nails, look at these things. I've started taking these Biotin gummies from a company called Elongtress. By the way, I really hope that I'm pronouncing this right. I'm just gonna call it Elongtress because that is how I perceive it in my brain. So I'm gonna share with you the results from a month ago, before I got it cut and all that, and then I'll talk a bit more about this. So some of you might know if you watch my vlogs on this channel, I recently got my hair cut. I got bangs and I've not had bangs since I was like 13, so almost 10 years ago. And I got a huge trim. So I'm going to share with you the footage of what my hair looked like before this whole process started about a month and a half ago. So here's some footage of my hair. It was really long, as you can see, but the ends are incredibly wispy and they always have been. I've been struggling with this for quite a long time on my hair journey. The only way I can really combat it is by regular trims, but I'm so precious about my hair length that I'm just scared to trim it too much. So as you can see, this is what my hair looked like. It was very long. You can see from the back that like in the middle, like the bulk of it is very thinned out, so that when you look at it from the front strands are really long, whereas the back strands are very like a lot shorter and very wispy. And I've had this problem for so long, but it's getting there. It's getting to where I want it to be. It's all one length. I didn't have any layers. I haven't had layers for a very long time. I'm going to share with you the measurement. So how I do it is I get a measuring tape and I put it to the very tip of my earlobe and I measure all the way down to the tip of my hair, and I just keep my head straight, and that's how I measure my hair. I measured my hair in 3 sections. So the shortest strand, that is a tongue twister. The shortest strand at the back measured 17.5 inches, and the sort of overall middle length was about 19.5 inches, and then the very longest strand at the front measured 20.5 inches. Moving onwards, I went to the hairdresser. I asked for just a trim and some wispy bangs, and this is what happened. So as you can see, I wasn't very happy with the way it was cut, because you can kind of see that my hair was cut on a bit of a slant, like it's kind of at an angle, which is a little bit odd. He cut about 2 inches off, and then from the front, and I'm going to show you my bangs. Now I hated them. I really hated them the day I got them done, but then the next day, like after I'd slept on them and they kind of like settled down, I really liked them, and I've been loving them ever since. So I'm going to show you this footage. This side is passable, right? But look how weird this side. Look, it's so weird. I just don't like it. I kind of like, this is the length, yeah, sure, okay, that I wanted. And I wanted like this bit to be a bit more down here and then a little bit more down here, so it like really blended, but like very small chunks. I didn't think it would be this bad. It actually doesn't look too bad when I have my hair up. I had to like draw on an old manky dress, so please excuse how gross it looks, but I drew 1-inch lines from the back of the dress. I don't actually own a stripy top. This is before I started taking the Biotin gummies. It's about 4 lines down, so 4 inches from the back of my dress. And this is what my hair looks like from the front. And I'm just showing you the different sections and how long they measure. You can see that my hair pretty much overall measures around 17 inches from my earlobe. A month later, this is the results.
Did you cut these yourself?
No, the guy did it, but they've obviously
your hair is really long, you know.
Oh my god, if you look at that footage on there right now,
man, look at this bit that's longer than the rest.
Long.
Who cut
this? Look at what?
Yeah.
Just that one bit. That's great.
Oh my god, yeah, it was where these ones are. Look at that.
Yeah, the hairdresser did not do a good job, but it has grown. So those are the back bits, these are the front bits. Here is my fringe. It has grown quite considerably since I got it cut, although I can't really remember how long it was, but I think the longest strand, which is now here, was about here. So yeah, I definitely want to cut this back to how it was, because I actually really liked it at the length that it was, but now it's just a bit too long. So we can still talk, you know.
Shh, no we can't.
Shut up, I'm filming.
I don't know what makes you say that, but you're right.
And my nails, man. So I don't know if you could see on my dress because my hair's kind of covering it and I struggled with the filming angles. Anyway, long story short, I think it pretty much measured around 5 or 6 on my dress, and my dress is a little bit crinkled up the way I'm wearing it in this footage, so I don't know how accurate that is, but if you pause the footage and you count the lines, it's about on the 5th or 6th one, like in between 5 and 6. After a month of taking the Biotin gummies, the shortest strand measured 16 inches. Overall, it was about 17.5 inches, and the longest strand just over 18 inches, so about 18.2 inches, which means that my overall growth in the 1 month of taking the Biotin was a whole inch, just a little bit over a whole inch. Here's a ruler, so it's about that much is about an inch. Can you see that? Now, I've done a little bit of research and I found that on average your hair is meant to grow around ½ inch a month. So that means that by taking these, my hair has grown twice as fast as it normally would. So I'm very happy. Oh my god, I think these did what they meant to do. These are gummies, so they're not like a tablet. If you don't like taking tablets, they're just easier. They're strawberry flavored. This is what they look like. They're quite sweet, but they don't contain any gelatin, they don't contain any gluten, and they only have natural colorings in them. I love chocolate, but I'm not big on like fruity sweets, so like initially I wasn't too keen on the flavour and the texture, but after a while I just kind of got used to it. This is part of my dosage today. It's just kind of like a normal like gummy sweet. It just tastes like candy. I shouldn't have done that because now I've got to talk. So you get 90 gummies in each tub and the dosage is 2 a day. So each tub contains a month and a half if you were to take them every day. So I was sent 2, which covers 3 months. Finished 1 already, that's my 1.5 months gone. There will be a link in the description to where you can buy these. 1 tub is $17, which is about £13, British pounds. So I'd say that's not too bad. That's kind of like a drugstore price. It's not on the high end of, you know, these expensive la-di-da products. I'd say for most people it's pretty affordable. Each serving contains 5,000 micrograms of biotin. So it's said that with biotin you should really be taking it for around 3 months to see the effects. Honestly, I've been taking it for 1 month. I personally have seen effects. I guess it ranges from person to person, but just as a note, that is what most of the things that I've found online about biotin has said, to leave it around 90 days before seeing any kind of like actual results. And oh my god, my nails. I wasn't anticipating my nails to grow. I was kind of just focusing on my hair. As this is a vitamin to help your hair and nails grow, like all the hair on your body will grow as well. Like I had to use hair removal methods far more than I usually do. Your leg hair will grow more, your pubic hair will grow more, all the hair is going to grow, okay? So you just need to know that if you're going to take anything that's going to make your hair grow, because your hair on your body will grow as well. You can kind of see in the before footage how long my nails were. They were still long, but they were nowhere near how they are now. They are literally claws, and this is after filing them quite a few times. I file them every week, I have to, because they're just getting so long. They're kind of yellowish, please excuse that. I can't really help it. I really like to wear nail polish and it stains my nails. I wanted to show you what the growth without nail polish so you can really see. If you would like to get yourself some of these biotin gummies, there will be a link in the description. I'd also like to say thank you so much to Elongtress. Of course, these opinions are my own. The proof is in the pudding. The results are all there. I'm always more than happy to collaborate with products and brands that actually work and help my hair and nails grow, because I'm really into long hair and long nails, so it's right up my alley. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my Snapchat. I also recently made an actor's Instagram, and my Twitter is kind of more actor based. So I am an acting student, if some of you didn't know that, and I am trying to broaden my field of my acting profile, I suppose. That doesn't make any sense. If you'd like to check out what I get up to as an actor, do follow my acting Instagram, and everything else, all the other details will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. My throat's dying. I'm ill and I've been talking like a million miles a second. Right, bye. Mwah.